Every bottle begins where the soil give up its best.
Harvesting is timed to perfection, not chance.
Speed matters, but care matters more. Freshness is protected from the very first movement. Volume meets discipline at the harvest floor.
From field to factory, the clock is ticking.
Quality is verified before the journey begins.
The harvest now leaves the land behind.
What was grown in sunlight now heads for transformation.
The journey tightens as distance replaces daylight.
Every mile risks freshness if timing slips.
Control continues even beyond the fields. Agriculture gives way to industry.
The boundary marks a change in responsibility. The boundary marks a change in responsibility.
Traceability begins at the gate.
The raw material officially enters production.
Preparation meets arrival!
The harvest pauses, seconds before transformation. Here, scale replaces season. The moment containment gives way. Gravity becomes the first machine.
Environment shifts, control tightens.
Cleanliness defines the next chapter.
Human judgment still leads machines.
Preparation begins with purification.
The transformation line is now alive. The transformation line is now alive.
Water strips away the field, leaving only the fruit.
Cleanliness is verified by movement. Elevation prepares them for judgment.
Eyes trained by experience, still fatter.
Only the best continue forward. Technology confirms what humans begin. Decisions made in milliseconds.
The batch earns its place.
Now, the real transformation begins. Structure gives way to motion. The fruit loses form, not purpose.
Consistency begins to take shape.
Heat prepares the chemistry of flavor. Stability is engineered, not assumed. Only essence moves forward. Nothing is wasted. Everything is routed. Uniformity is locked in. The base is ready for transformation. Flavor is built under controlled pressure.
Precision replaces intuition.
Heat and time align. Texture begins to speak. Balance is engineered to the decimal. Every batch becomes one voice.
Data signs off on flavor.
The product rests, fully formed.
Now, machines take full control.
Machines report every decision.
Cleanliness runs in parallel. Routing happens without pause. Accuracy is continuously confirmed. Consistency is protected. Automation replaces repetition, not judgment.
The line moves as one.
Final refinement begins. Precision now defines the outcome. The container is prepared before the fill. Uniformity begins at the millimeter. Every bottle receives the same promise. Waste is engineered out. Speed meets order. Speed meets order.
Identity is applied at speed.
Perfection is verified, not assumed. Even the finest lines pause for scrutiny. Science ensures safety and consistency. Texture is measured with precision.
Balance is quantified.
Hygiene is confirmed at the microscopic level.
The palate decides final approval.
Documentation seals accountability.
Verification complete. Production resumes.
Every bottle earns its seal of trust.
The journey now nears its end.
Order is created from flow. Protection ensures product integrity.
Automation meets scale.
Products rest before the final journey.
The line between factory and market narrows.
From production floor to delivery road.
And this is how modern factories produce tomato ketchup from start to finish.